Hi everyone, this is your simple and fun family. Please enjoy it. Watch to my YouTube channel. That's it. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, everyone. Thank you. Hi everyone. Today we go ride boat. Ride the boat, everyone. We continue. My children is in the house. They will go in the playing area. In the playing area, they will go. They will playing football. I go with my husband, everyone. Please enjoy it, everyone. Nice weather today. Today is nice weather. 18 degree. We are 18 degree today. I hope the mic is working. Last time it's not working, no. Ah, enjoy it, everybody. Please watch my YouTube channel. Enjoy it. Dato pasa your kabut kapa is abakit ka? Husband will drive now. Good. We enjoy it. He has a fishing things. Bring one. Like to make a fishing, yeah. Little bit, yeah. It's not so long. Enjoy it, everyone. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please. I hope it's working my mic. Last time it's not working. So you can see the view, everyone, over there, oh. Very nice. The view over there. So I will put a snap in my face, everyone, huh? That you can see the nice view here. You enjoy a little bit, everyone. Please watch.
Like that?
Yeah, like that. Long time you like to make fishing? And then you can turn off that.
Oh no, I use
What do you use?
like that. I use a little bit like that. Is okay.
You know how to handle that? Advise it. Or give me the stick. Give me the stick, I make like that.
Then I do it.
It's difficult, everyone. Because he make a fishing now that he has a boat that he has to ride. Ay. Enjoy it, everyone. I hope it's working my mic. Last time it's not working. I iris. I'm very angry because it's not working the mic. I charge already the mic, everyone. I charge already the whole night. Yeah. Sharo malubat na ni mic ka. Very angry. Yeah. Needs to charge 5 hours until it's full. My mic, yeah. I forgot to charge. I charge only quick only, yeah. It's not enough. I have to
Just like
charge
this.
long. Huh? Yeah. Maka, how you can make, how do you know that if there is a fish? How do you know? Bites it. Or you can stop a little bit. Or like that, yeah. Slowly only like that. Or you can stop under a bridge and then right there. The other stop under a bridge. Fishing under a bridge, yeah. Very nice. Under the shadow is nice. The mini wild tiri or mini wild pati. Pati na that in Pinas, pati. The birds that. Ah,
Water is brown, yeah?
yeah,
It's from the rain yesterday.
yeah. Brown is not clear water, so brown. That is para raining yesterday. Yeah. Mini wild birds. Pati bugulat in the Philippines ay pati. Enjoy it everyone. Today is my routine like this everyone. I'm finished washing the laundry 2 times. Yeah. 2 times I wash already laundry. I do not make iron for everyone. I'm tired. Oy, Holy Week. Lisa is tired. Yeah. Because yesterday we was in the Basel. Yeah. Basel City walking. Yeah. Now we go the boat for enjoying. Just only for fun. My hobby is fishing. My hobby is fishing everyone. Enjoy it everyone. Look at that guys. Oh, very nice over there. Oh, nice. Yeah. Very happy weather like this. When the weather is like this, I am very happy. Yeah. But next week is getting more and more cold. Yeah, I don't understand. Some people have a ubo, sipon. Kaya weather is hot and after hot is cold. Mhm. Back to the cold, yeah. Under a bridge, everyone, oh. Very nice, everyone. Enjoy it, everyone. Under a bridge, everyone. Oh, we pass on the bridge now. We pass in the bridge. Very nice under a bridge. It's cold, yeah, cold. It's cold under the bridge, yeah. Ah, 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 ah. Many people walking, very nice weather, yeah. Last time I was walking there, everyone, oh, they're all beside. Walking, I'm walking there, yeah. $18 today, yeah. Yesterday is 21. It's not the same, the weather every day. It's not the same. The weather every day is not the same. How many degree? Today is 18 degree. Yesterday is 21 degree. It's not the same. Tomorrow it's getting cold. Oh yeah. Getting cold tomorrow. Cold and cold, yeah. Ah, 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 ah. Ayan eh. Doesn't catch fishes, I'm sure. It's still cold pa. Yeah. You like to go fishing a little bit. Because in the house is boring. Boring in the house, everyone. It's not good. Only sleeping, no. You have to move it body a little bit, yeah. Enjoy everyone. Watching to my YouTube, everybody, everyone. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, everyone. Maybe that is the fish like that or like that, but bubbles like that, but like that. Maybe that is the fish, like that, oh. Like that, to have a bubbles like that. You can see the loop is like oxygen. That is the fish. Tao naman may honey, can catch the fish, good for eating. I bring. I have to clean. Yesterday, yesterday his friend is fishing also, but is no more fish. It's too cold. Or the fish is too cold for fishing. Yeah, I don't know. It's not the season pa, but anybody will go fishing already. Just only for fun, everyone. For enjoying, we have a fish or not is no problem. I have a stock there in the house fish. Sardines. Ay, lami sardines. Sugba ah. Sugba. Isugba. Inununan. Saka prito. Mayroon pa akong tuna fish, I think there. At saka igli. Igli apat. Kuha sa kumbana. Lami na na, oy. Sus, Nothing, Lisa special. Nothing for me special. No, nothing. I am not a special. I eat, I eat normal foods, yeah. But I do not cook the dry fish. Yeah. Bahoan ako anak laki, oy, baho. Tingke. No problem akong banaw, akong anak bayi. Ako anak laki, but babero, sisid baho man mama, ay, sus. Sao man na. Stinky daw. Stink is very baho daw, yeah. Little bit special man saan. Parent, yeah. Banhop there over one, oh, Banhop din hop over there, or the Banhop no yun hop. We are parent pa, we are my honey will par pa little bit par, yeah. A little bit par, there lah. Hindi tikon. Hindi tikon, I think. Over there, on the way to Surik, yeah. There is the border of Rabote. Kilbangin, I think. Kilbangin, that's Kilbangin. In the end of Kilbangin, I think. That is in the end of Kilbangin. Very fun, everyone, very nice for fishing. It's perfect, yeah. When it's nice weather, I like this, yeah. I like this, everyone. For fishing is perfect. Perfect, yeah. Mini inti da, ducklings, oh da. Very nice, but the color red, the head is red. Nice, the color head. It's very early to cook dinner, everyone. 1 o'clock over pa. Maybe I go home 3 o'clock, we will see, I don't know. It's too early. Then we eat 6 o'clock. We have a time. We have a time. We have to enjoy it, everybody. Everyone enjoy it. Just only for fun. My honey will parang bite na. Maybe under of the bridge, yeah, there is a fish. We will go in the under the bridge fishing. Tasha, Cha, if you need I said, if you need a drinks, I have. He said, no. He keep aside. He keep aside. I doesn't like it. Later, maybe later. Later, I think. So, yet, everyone. The train is coming, everyone, no? Going to prove that, yeah. Then, back to Zurich. Winter tour. Yeah, the train over there. Kita nyo, the there, train. Enjoy it, everyone. A little bit noisy, everyone, the boat, but it's only small, everyone. It's not the bigger one, yeah, small only. Small. Yeah, mini apartment upstairs, everyone, apartment. The weather is perfect, everyone. Very nice weather, yeah. is the boat also make a griller. Make also griller everyone. Two boats there, yeah. People walking is looking with us, yeah. Looking with looking that watching. Ay, sana all. Ah, sana all, yeah. Papasana all kamanoy mana. Very nice, yeah. Very happy, thank you, Lord. We have already boat, yeah. The swan, oh. Hi, swan. Looking for the pots. I don't have bread. Last time, give you mini last time. Last time, I will give you mini last time, yeah. I will not give you na, no way. I'm walking, yeah. I can give you. Here is the grill area also over there, na. Over there. Can make a grill also there, ah. Mini here area for the grill. You bring only charcoal on the pots, yeah. That you can make a grill. Very perfect the weather, everyone. 18 degrees. 18 degrees Celsius today. Very nice. You try, maybe there is a fish. Try. Tubira. I said to my husband, you have to try. You have to try. Make only slowly, everyone. He has to try. Maybe there is a fish. I don't know. We will see. Car, train again, everyone. Look, oh, enjoy, everyone. Hola. The train, going to Zurich. 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 Zurich station, that, yeah. And the Zurich station. There will go. Where is the area of cooking then? Ah, over there. The grill, yeah. Oh, the grill is there. Ah, nobody is there. Nobody, I think. It's too cold boy for a grill there. When is the weather 18 bis 20 degrees? Good, yeah. Why not? I think anybody make a grill also there. Okay. Very nice, yeah. Ah, there is the other train also. The other will go, and the other will go as well, left and right. Yeah. Look, everyone. Oh, look, oh. Ah, the man of the prow. Oh, look, oh. The man of the prow. Oh. To make it also like this, that is the student, yeah. Student or teacher like that, yeah. Make it also like that. The drive in the In the back, but in the back, don't know how to handle it. I will drive it in the front, it's not in the back. I don't know how to handle it. No? I don't know how to handle it. Especially the bugsa is very special. Like that, yeah. Yeah, the train again over there, Oda. Going to station of the Zurich, yeah. Hmm. Stop it at Banhook, yeah. Banhook. Stop it at Banhook, Kilbangin. That is from Araw, I think, yeah. I have a penalty already, that everyone. I have penalty. I ride. I don't know. There is the number, yeah. One number yellow is the first class. Ang kuroy. Kinuha ko gikuha akong card. You will get my card. They send the bill in the mailbox. My God. They will give me a small discount, yeah, because I was stressed last time of that, yeah. I ride comfortable. Oh my God. I have a, I have a penalty. Ay, sumbong. Maay gani kay penalty nili sa 70 franc, is not 100 over. Kapuya. Ay, that is my first time, yeah, I ride it alone, yeah. I ride with that's in Lisa, yeah. If you there is the number man, I don't know man that oy. I am my ticket only is economy only, is not business, yeah. I ride in the first class. The problem I have penalty. In the few days I have already the bill in the mailbox, yeah. Ay, there is a controller in the train as well, in the bus as well. There is controller. That's why in the body control, we have to be buy the ticket. Yeah, the ticket is correct ticket. When it's not correct, you have penalty. That is the style here. Yeah, if you have it's not correct, you have penalty. Yeah, huh? Vacancy trip, you have to pay. The whole trip of the bus or the whole trip of the train. I don't know. Yeah. Last time I have penalty, yeah. They gave me a discount because I explained already. I'm very stressed, yeah. Stressed. I forgot, yeah. My ticket is not business class. It's not first class. No, I have only economy class. Only economy. I said no way. Na next time I have to look. Na I have already experience, yeah. I am long time here, but I do not always ride a train. Only bus I ride, yeah. I ride the train when it's far away. Yeah. We go under the bridge, yeah. You can make fishing under the bridge. Come. There. Kilbangin. Under bridge. Yeah, the train again. Oh, always have a train. Every 10 minutes, yeah. Every 10 minutes have a train. Ah, the train over there. Every 10 minutes, yeah. And the bus every 7 minutes, yeah. Have a bus. You cannot getting late. The bus is always, yeah. The bus is always on time here, no late here. Here is no late. You have to be on time. It's not Filipino style here, no. On to be on time, yeah. Train again, yeah. Mm. So that going to Sorek. Yeah. Sorek station at yeah. There's a lot of train there, yeah. Many number train there. It's not so windy today. It's not windy. Very nice, yeah. Hi everyone. Oh, very nice, Rara. Under a bridge of the train. Waiting hot, everyone, yeah. I cannot take off my coat. My coat is have the power bank. Haha. Or I can put power bank man in that. Gasolin. Ulbo ta na. Ay, I put a, no, you see the train is there. I put a cover the gasoline. You have 1 gallon gasoline we bring ko sa in case if empty the tank of my honey, we have to refill. First time we ride, we do not bring a reserve gasoline. The result, my honey use bugsay. My children very angry, yeah. Because we are long until we are there back, yeah, long. That's why children doesn't like to come. The last time is now we have idea now. Bring gasoline now, yeah. Train na. Ah, the train station there stop there Kilbangin Banhup, yeah. We will stop it over there. Now I have a gasoline everyone I bring na. When it's empty gallon, my honey will buy gasoline in the station. I said to him, we bring always when we ride. Then you can refill, yeah. Refill. I do not eat nakmitag everyone. Nakmitag is lunch. I eat only the apple pie and air bear pie only I need one stock, yeah. One only slice. I'm not so hungry, yeah. I am not so hungry because I eat in the morning the bread, yeah. Bread with shinken. Shinken means slice carne. Slice carne. Ham. Ham, I mean, yeah. Yeah, everyone. Mm. Today, make a small grill, yeah, for the dinner. Make today. It's nice and a little bit the wind is windy a little bit. It's hot, no? Hot. It's hot, everyone, yeah. Yeah, you always have a train, yeah. Always, yeah. Always. Bangin ban mo everyone. Bangin ban mo. Ini jadi animal sih, loh. Like guys, like upuan apa? Murah upuan. Mosquito. Ay, the wind is getting strong na. Getting cold na. Anay everyone, we go to everyone. Pescador Island everyone. Pescador Island, eh? Lisa will go to Pescador Island. There is a pescador. La, why is getting the big waves, oy? Ha? My honey must pasok, why is getting big waves? There is other mo? Ay, Diyos ko, God. Enjoy it, everybody. We go to Pescador Island. Joke, everyone, ha? Train again, everyone, ha? Always and forever, train, yeah. Train 12, I think train 12, yeah. Stop na tira. Stop. Kilbangin ba mo? Stop na. Now, we go in the bridge. Everyone there. There is the bridge there. Oh. We will go there. I know where island everyone. Ay, bamboo ka na to. Ay, bamboo. The trees, bamboo is the house for the wild animals. Yeah. For the swan, for the birds, ducks. There, may kaayer, itlog nila dada. That is the house. Yeah. Like that, but the color everyone because it's not summer pa yan. When it's summertime, back to the green that yeah. It's still cold pa, that's why the bamboo is not patay that no. It's not that patay. We are under the bridge everyone. Under the bridge, under the bridge. It's a little bit cold here, yeah. Yeah, mini boat everyone. Oh, the mini boat here. Yeah, boat. Small bridge there. Hala, the wind is getting strong man, oy. I hope I do not feel cold. The wind is getting strong. Ah, mini boat everyone under the bridge. That is the parking area of the boat there, yeah. Good idea. My husband is in he's not below there. He is below in the club, yeah. Not there. That is the different, yeah. Ah, there is also mini boat everyone on there, that. Ah, that. Autobahn there upstairs, that. Interstate 1. So, you have to make it like that. And like that, yeah. Very nice, everyone. Oy. Enjoy it, everybody. Enjoy it. Please watch my YouTube channel, everyone. That you are updated for the next vlog. Like, share, and subscribe, please. Ah, the bridge everyone on that. Some people walking, some people is biking. Here, everyone is nice. This side, yeah. quiet everyone, boring yeah. That's why we go in the boat yeah. Much more better the boat. Ah, there is a fisherman also over there. Oh, look over there, everyone. Oh, there is fisherman. There is fisherman also there. Ah. Look at that fisherman is there, waiting for a fish. Ah, logistic. I think they're all logistic building. Fisherman also had fish. Very quiet, everyone. Yeah. Very nice. Oh, Farsh. Farsh. Enjoy it, everyone. Sorry if I do not talk always. Just only looking for the watching for the there is a swan there. Ah, the swan is there in the middle of the grass there. picnic, good weather ya. There is the boat also lah. Picnic. Ini ka picnic ya. Yeah, you is there with a boat as well. Ah, the water is very, it's not so green because the rainy yesterday evening, not so green, little bit dark, yeah. Yeah, that's one, no? Alone. Alone. Where is your partner? You are alone. Alone, that's one, yeah. For sure, there is a partner that, yeah. So many people is make a lie down in the grass. Lie down in the grass, yeah. The bridge, everyone. There is a bridge there. I think we make a turn around and then back. We're there, yeah. Where is the toast one? There. Equals make a grill again there. Yeah, everyone on this one. So go. Partner in yeah. This one, yeah. People make a grill there, everyone. Yeah. In our gas, cover gas because the gasoline is when it's hot, zero siya. I put the cover for it. Yeah. Go back na? Okay. It's not necessary there. We go back to Pitira. Awa hips na, oy. Allah! Allah! It's getting weak, big whips ah. Ay! It's getting big whips ah. That is from the machine engine dia. Like go back by honey na. It's okay, go back lang sa slowly. Slowly go back. Almost 1 hour na, almost. Allah! Allah! Oy, slowly, oy! Why ba this getting big waves, oy? Ay! It's getting big waves, yeah. The waves is getting big because of the engine of my hand. Ay, Diyos ko God. Yeah, the swan is flying there, oh. Very nice everyone, oh. Nice here. Enjoy it everybody. Yeah. Enjoy it. It's only for fun. It's only for once. Only for fun. The swan, the head of the swan, he will keep now it's getting put out again. Very style. So sad, swan. Boy swan. Bye bye. There is the other everyone over there. enjoying around everyone. If you feel boring in the house, go to the river and enjoy. Okay, that yeah. Ah, the others one, Hoy! Hello! Many birds and many ducks there are. Many ducks. The house is there, relaxing ya. Make air, make itlog ya. Eating many style of the ducks ya. Nobody will at everyone, no. That's only for the nature. Ta, make air na dada, make itlog na dada. Ta, ini. Not allowed to get the itlog there na ada eggs, no. Not allowed. That is for nature ya. Ta, gini dah. The house ya. Galug-lug na ya. Magpugad na siya, pugad. Enjoying the young man sila. 3 boys, enjoying the boat nila, enjoying, relaxing. The trees, very nice, pa-flowers eh. One hour over na yan. Very quiet everyone. We have to go back now everyone. Go back, yeah. Laylay, oy. Hanglan, straight ang tiil, oy. Straight, oy. Laylay. Ay! Laylayin, ma. Go back now everyone, yeah. Straight, okay. Ako ang straight akong knees kay hindi mo sige taglingkod no straight kapot atong legs oy. Sakit sakit di kailangan mag-move. There is a fisherman also na boat is there, fisherman. There is a fisherman also fishing. Aside yung haluya. This time. There is a two boat also, no? One to the other side, one to the other side, yeah. Three boat. Getting mini boat na, that's why the waves getting strong. The other side, this side is there is one. The other side is there is two. This side is there is one. Yeah. This side is there is one as well. This other. Itimini na everyone look na. This other fisherman also look. Yeah. There is study also, look. Come on, the boy, the girl. Partner rin ya. All is partner rin in the boat. The children doesn't come. Boring for kid nila. Usually my children is cannot sit. He doesn't like to sit down long time. So doesn't like to sit down long time. Because the lubot is the pain. Winter go to spill flats na. There is the area of the playing pool. Yeah. You will go. Doesn't like to come with me. Doesn't matter. Yeah. He has the key. He has to bring the key. Yeah. Excuses everyone, getting tired. It's getting tired now. Kilbangin pa rin kilbangin. Correct. Kilbangin, everyone is belong to Sorek. Yeah. Not belong to Argao. Okay. I go home na because we have to prepare dinner. Yeah. Anyway, it's still early, but you have to, I like to make it ready. Ready. The bridge again. We pass. Pass in the bridge. Move again, Lisa. Always moving. Yeah. Always in a moving. Everyone. Always in a moving. Everyone. Move our lubot. Yeah. Boogie. Yeah, there is the other. There is the other boat. Apa siya to? Chat, you have to go this side. This side too. There is the student. The student is coming. This side to this side. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, that is a student everyone. Yeah, yeah. Over there. Go and then stop. Yeah. Learning that learning. Teacher said, go and then stop. The student that is a student. Yeah. Yeah. Over there. Student that is student. A student. Yeah. That is a student. I do not make video the student. Kaya the boss is the angry that is not allowed. I walk everyone. Oh, I walk last time. I go at Kelbangin. Ngayon ho, Kelbangin. There one round there. I will go there. Yeah. Walking. Walking around. My honey is a little bit slowly because the waves is getting bigger. Getting big because of the student. The use of the my honey will use fishing now. Fishing stick. So okay, like that slowly. We have a time. We have a time. The other side is the Bitingin. The other side, everyone. Bitingin. Here is Kilbangin by everyone Kilbangin. To the other side is Bitingin. On the way, Bitingin, other side. You do not use the aha. Mayani use a fishing stick. No? Just only for fun, everyone. Only for fun, but yeah. What are you doing? Naop? Naop. He's getting off, yeah. Kaya he fishing man, yeah. Make it very low tank, yeah. The parin pa. Phone again, yeah, when you stop, yeah. Machine. For sure, it's still working. That he put already gasoline. Yeah, getting big waves. It's like it's like Russian. It's not small river here, everyone. A little bit big. Little bit big here. River here, little bit big. It's not so small. Ah, the other boat is coming. We have to go this side. Right side we are. The other boat is coming, yeah. The other boat is coming. What are you doing, man? Oy, my honey. Raw ka, may honey. Tabako, may honey. Tabako. Ay, smoking. Tabako, Bisaya, smoking. I think what he's doing, yeah. Ay, train. The train is there. Not so big, the train. Ah, the other boat is there, oh. Look at that, the other boat, oh. The other boat is there, yeah. Partnerin all in the boat, partnerin, yeah. All in the boat, partnerin. The man, the wife, yeah. Ah, relaxing, relaxing, in the top. Relaxing na, male and female. Eh, everyone, slowly tani everyone until we are there. Kaya he used the fishing things, yeah. Fishing stick he used. Kaya he doesn't catch the fish, everyone. It's still cold, yeah. The fish when it's cold is down of the water. It's not in the top, in the up, no. They will go down, not only down. But when it's the summertime, they will make it a little bit in the up, yeah. In the up of the water, a little bit, yeah. There is the other boat also, oh. Ciao. Hala, hala, hala. The big waves, oh my God. Ay. Getting big waves, everyone, yeah. Mini boats go out today, everyone, mini. Mini enjoy good weather. The sun is a little bit away na. Oy, why? Very quick, but the sun today, oy. Uh-huh. Getting away na the sun, a little bit running. I hope it's not raining. Anyway, we go back na. We go back. The wind is strong na. Later, I drink water, everyone. Because if I drink water here, ayun, where I can make it that pipe, nga no more toilet in here. No more toilet here, no. No, more CR here. I drink it there and ready the auto order when I will arrive. Yeah. I have here. Uses everyone with tired Lisa. 1 hour ta over eh. I hope my mic in town is working. I hope. Last time it's not in working. I don't know why. You say goodbye. I don't know why. Kaya Lisa forgot to charge. Yeah. We have to charge this one over time. Yeah. I have a dual mic, everyone, but the problem is forgot to charge. Yeah. I forgot to charge. Yeah.
But in the summertime, here fishing is very nice.
Yeah, but we go in Perian, man.
After a holiday,
Yeah, after holiday. Yeah.
here is very nice.
Yeah, I know. After an holiday, we can go fishing. First, we have to go holiday. Oy. We go in the summer holiday, home sweet home. Sooner. Excited at least. I hope it's open already there at airport. I'm very excited, everyone. Like to swim in the ocean, yeah. Different, we here is the river different. Very cold, yeah. Don't like na. I like on the ocean, only in the ocean. My honey said, chat in the summer is very nice. Yeah, I'm sure. Very nice here. The student will go back na. The student will go back, yeah. I know it's very nice here in the summertime, but we go in Perian, we go on holiday. Holiday time for Lisa, that, yeah. Because when we are back, many things to do. When we are back, so many things to do. Ah, slowly only my honey a little bit everyone was she used the stick of the fish. She used the stick now everybody. He doesn't catch the fish. The fish is very deep. It's not in the top. Ay, it's not in the top because it's still cold, yeah. Na-off na po na. To, o pasa do dali o pasa do ya. I said you have to take care kay you have to hold the machine for a drive because the I do I cannot that no. He doesn't hold sometimes he use that stick of fishing at fish. Ay, how many minutes na? 1 hour and 21 minutes. I turn off later when we are back there. I turn off. Over 1 hour. Over 1 hour, yeah. Eating cold now, everyone eating cold. Don't know what is the time now. There is the dog, everyone. The dog to the other side, yeah, walking. No chance, dog. I'm here. I'm here. No chance for the dogs. Yeah. Very noisy the room. The student, everyone, yeah. They learn. Learning how to drive, yeah. To the back position. It's not in the front, yeah. Back. Enjoy it, everyone. We have to return our boat there. The parking area of the boat. There is a special parking area of the boat, everyone. The train, everyone, oh. Going to Zurich, yeah. Zurich station. There is a towboat, everyone, ah. That is the one who make a grill over there, yeah. They will go home, I think, yeah. The apartment of my friend is, the friend of my husband is there at the top, yeah. The top apartment, yeah. The whole top is the owner, the whole top, yeah. Very noisy in the teacher, eh. Very noisy teacher teaching the how to how to drive the boat like that. I use bugsay. Bugsay in the back position. Ay, I don't know how to handle. I use bugsay in the front, is not in the back. I don't know how to handle the back. Even in the front is no, Lisa. It's not in the comfortable like that. Yeah. Look, everyone, oh. What a very nice there. The people make a grill there, oh, for enjoy it, yeah, enjoying. Very nice. We are only beside here because there is a student, yeah. Loco, dah. In the back position, oh, look, oh, you saw that, everyone, oh. Hi. No, Saturday. Just student, yeah, student. I think student, everyone, yeah. Students, yeah. Very nice, everyone. Ah, the assistant looking only is working or not the student. There is one assistant, yeah. Girl only sitting, yeah. That is a student, yeah. The student most learning, yeah. Students learning, everyone, yeah. Hala, getting big waves sa pudo, hala. Lagi, getting big waves. Dar, train again, oh, da. Ay, train. Next time I ride with you, train. Next time I ride with you. Ay, getting big waves, everyone, oy. Ah, it's getting big waves because of the students, yeah. Students with pass, yeah. Ah, ay, overtake na with us, everyone, the students, yeah. Overtake na. We are only slowly but surely. That is the boat clubs also. That is the other kind of boat student. That is student. Student thing, student thing. Sports, that is sports, yeah. Sports league. Ah, the other one is the two person. The other one is mini. Yeah. The other's mini. The other is small. Yeah, the other is only two. Only two person. The other, yeah. Look. Student also not all of. That is a student also, everyone. Yeah, that is a student. Yeah. The other is depend how many student, yeah, learning. The seasons for sports now because it's Holy Week, yeah. When it's Holy Week, yeah, the student have a time for learning, yeah. We go back in the boat now, everyone. Boat area. Put our boat there. We have to go home now, everyone slowly, yeah. Getting me in the boat around sports, mans and girls, yeah. Boys and girls, yeah. There, look, oh. Look, two person also, da. Two person also, yeah. Ay, that is the area also of the boat over there, oh. Area of the boat also there, ah. That, there. What are you doing, man? Siya, you have to tigmak ka siya. Straight, Martin. The others coming, yeah. Oy. Other also, yeah. Oops. 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 Getting big whips. Ah, you see the other also, like, go also with the boat, the other, yeah. Ah, then you'll go out to the good with there. That is for the boat also, the other, for the boat as well. May han, we don't know, may han, we moving, may han. We moving kaniya. We go home na. We go home na. See to my honey, I will go home now. I cannot sit, sorry, 2 hours here. I cannot sit down 2 hours, no. 1 hour over is okay. 2 hours for me, my hip is kaput, yeah. My hips pain, yeah. Huh? I cannot sit down a long time, yeah. Hey, what's Max too? What's that over there, oy? Kahoy. Kahoy, I think that, oy. We go home na siya. Let's go back slowly. I like to go home now. Over 1 hour na over. Almost 2 hours na I have. Go home na, go home. Go home, go home. Yeah, I am the boss. I said go home. Yeah, okay, I do not come next time. I do not come next time with that. Just follow me. Ah. Upromer at gamer na. Gamer. Yeah. Upromer na. He make it already. He keep the stick na yeah. I like to go home now, yeah. Yee! Enjoy it, everyone. Very nice, everyone. All okay? Everybody, enjoy it. Ah, very nice for enjoying, everyone. Yeah. My honey will be back now in the boat area because I feel my hips is pain when it's a long time sit down. No? Luwes kaput our hips, yeah. Walay maghililot. Walay maghililot din eh. Kao na lang taan. Mahira lang rin nato upuan. Omega. Or ipikasin. I have ipikasin ta ng omega also yan. Ay, Diyos ko God. Enjoy it, everyone. Hope you enjoy it. Sakto eh. Flying na the birds sila. Very nice everyone. Oh, maka-imagine ko everyone is like here in Pescador Island. Yeah. It's like Pescador Island, but it's not. Only a river. Only the river, yeah. Very happy birds. Look, oh. Birds flying around. So happy. Birds. No pose, birds. Many people will give pose zero bread. Over there, oh. Many people will give, yeah. Sometimes I come here for give breads, yeah. I give abroad breads. Sometimes, yeah. It's getting more and more the boat inside here, a river, yeah. The wind is getting strong. Oh my God, getting cold. Getting cold, everyone, because the wind is getting strong. Anyway, we go back now in everyone in the area of the boat. We keep our boat there back, yeah. Imagine everyone we are in the island of Pescador, oh? Pescador Island, but it's here is the bridge. Ay, just only imagination, everybody. Imagination, only imagine only. We're almost now everyone in the boat, everyone. There, parking area of the boat. We put our boat there back. Before we put back, I said to my honey, pull the tank always, yeah. Refill the tank always, yeah. For the next again, ride. For the next riding, yeah. Yeah, many students and everyone all over. TV na mini boat. The boats, yeah. Boats club. Enjoy it everyone. Please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please. Many people said that. We are almost there, everyone. We put our boat out there, everyone. Thanks for watching, everyone. I wanna see it to you, buddy. Bye. I wanna see bye bye now because we put our boat there inside. We put inside our boat, everyone. Bye. Thanks for watching. See you next time again, everyone. Bye bye. Thanks, everyone. Thank you. Bye bye. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.